Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord stuff. Today's project is called Webbed. We're using a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters, meld together to form a loop, connected to form the core. The colors we are using is blue, red, and yellow. Blue is going to be the base and part of the core. It's 66 inches or 167.64 centimeters. The red and the yellow are both in the weave, and they are both 60 inches long and 152.4 centimeters. You're also going to use a lighter, pair of scissors, and a presser. Let's do it. Okay, all 3 are going to be threaded through the opening left in the cow hitch. All right, take the blue up in the center between 2 and 3. From the left side over this one, under, up through, in between 2 and 3, down through the loop on the right side. Now, the red goes over through the center between 2 and 3, up through the loop. The yellow on the right side, over, up through the loop on the right side. On the left side, red goes across, down in between 2 and 3, up in the loop on the left side. The yellow on the left side goes over, under, and up to the loop. And we tighten them, cinch it up, the blue, the red, and the yellow on each side. Now in this, the red always leads, but it's not always on top. Okay. Underneath, come up in between 2 and 3. Left side, over, up, under, and up in between 2 and 3, down to the loop on the right side. Now, the red on the right side, cross on the outside, down, and up to the loop on the right side. Yellow goes across over the red, down, in between 2 and 3, up in the loop on the right side and on the right side of the yellow. Okay, from the left side, red goes across, down on the outside, under and up to the loop on the left side. The yellow from the left side goes over, down through the loop, down through the slot between 2 and 3, under, up and out through the loop on the left side and on the left side of the yellow strand. Tighten, cinch the thing up. And that is the whole pattern. It's repeating over and over again. Blue, come up in between 2 and 3. On the left side, over, under, up in between 2 and 3, out and down to the loop on the right side. Red is underneath the yellow, down in between 2 and 3, up to the loop on the right side. The yellow, over, under, and up to the loop on the right side and on the right side of the yellow. On the red, on the left side, these under the yellow, down in between 2 and 3, up in the loop on the left side. The yellow on the left side goes down on the outside, under, and up to the loop. Tighten, cinch up. And this should be your pattern on the back.